Moss and lichen growing on tiled roofs cause lasting damage and are one of the possible reasons for leaks. Cleaning is performed from the top downwards. To avoid damage to the roof structure, water should not be sprayed under the tiles. The operator must use suitable fall protection equipment. It's essential to observe all applicable safety precautions and regulations. Downpipes must be covered to prevent them being blocked by dislodged moss. The roof should be cleaned only on warm days to ensure it dries adequately after the work is completed.